one of the most reliable na immune booster is honey citron tea. Hindi lang immune booster but also can have a significant effect sa pagpapasus ng sore throat. Kaya, nasubukan mo na ba itong honey citron tea? Hey guys, my name is Anthony and in this video, we are now going to feature ang isa sa mga most reliable na sore throat remedy tea, ang honey citron tea. As you can see over here is that isang mabigat na honey citron tea made in Korea. So, yung mga ingredients niya are all organic, highly organic, pure organic, walang synthetic material. And ang pinakagusto ko sa packaging niya is this one. Because yung seller talagang ginawan niya ng ganito. So, nahirapan akong ilabas itong box na ito because the seller made sure na hindi siya mabibreak because this product is fragile, especially if you're going to ship this product sa mga delivery service na company such as yung JNT, yung sa Shopee. If you're purchasing this in Shopee or Lazada, ayan, medyo at risk siya for breakage. That's why yung sellers is very careful to keep their highly superb customer service by protecting the product. As in, nag-effort talaga sila. Nag-effort sila para hindi ma-break ang itong product na ito. That's why I'm going to give very high customer satisfaction sa seller na to. And by the way, andito yung price below. Kung makikita nyo, yung link below pala, link below ng seller. And then yung price, yan po yung price ng product na ito for one bottle of honey citron tea na 1 kilo ang bigat. It's very heavy. So, yan. Ganito siya. And for me, paano nga ba ito gamitin? I'm going to have a demonstration portion dito for you to, syempre, have an idea how to use this one by mixing 1 to 2 teaspoons per serving. So, in either hot or cold glass of water, pwedeng tea, pwedeng juice, pwedeng pure water depending on your taste, yung gusto mong drink na gagawin. And this bottle na ito is parang syrup siya, syrup based. Kung titignan niyo sa loob nito, contains yung citron talaga na slice na citron, and then yung honey. So it is a sweet product. So I advise sa mga matataas ang blood sugar level to monitor your blood glucose level. But if you are already suffering from diabetes, syempre dahan-dahan lang dito because this is a sweet product. And yes, we are now going to proceed with the inspection. Yan, ititignan natin yung mga kanyang contents sa product na ito para at least to have an idea what this product contains, what this product good for, and syempre i-demonstrate natin after ng inspection natin. This is the honey citron tea. In this video, makikita nyo na it is quite parang small but it is really heavy. As in, 2.2 pounds siya. It is 1 kilogram. Kaya, as in, mukha siyang magaan but it is really heavy in this. As in, ano talaga siya. It's heavy. And we have here yung mga basic information niya. It is a tea, so you can use this as your parang pampalasa. So yes, 1 teaspoon in a glass of tea or in a glass of water or in a glass of any juice drink. So pampalasa po siya and it is really sweet. This is a sweet syrup. So, ang ingredients niya is sliced citron, 65%. We have here honey, 44%. Ayan, 4% po yung honey niya. And then, yung citric acid, vitamin C, sodium carboxymethyl cellulose. Ayan. And then, yung caution niya is avoid direct sunlight and you must keep it in a cold, dry place. Or better yet, keep refrigerated after opening. Yung direction niya is take 2 to 3 teaspoons with hot or cold water and stir it well. Pero masyadong matamis for me ang 2 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon is already enough for me ha, pero depende sa inyo. And manufactured by Korea Natural Food Corporation Limited. Made in Korea po ang product na ito and distributed by Bioport Korea. So andyan yung kanyang address and Best Buy November 8, 2021. And ladies and gentlemen, pag sinabing Best Buy, hindi po siya expiration date. So ayan po guys, hindi po siya expiration date, inuulit ko. Hindi siya best before or expiration date. So ayan po yung difference guys. So in here, honey citron tea, ganyan po siya. And syempre, nakaseal po siya. And now, let us now have yung demonstration portion syempre para at least makita natin yung flavor niya. And ang gagawin ko ngayon is yung tea, ang pinaka-base po natin. It is now the demonstration portion ng honey citron tea. So, I have here itong tea and medyo hot siya. So, we're going to at least maglalagay tayo ng 1 teaspoon. For me, 1 teaspoon is already okay. Medyo sensitive lang kasi yung throat ko. That's why 1 teaspoon instead of 2. And makikita nyo dito sa seal dito na there is a indication wherein you're going to peel the seal. Syempre, don't accept a product if the seal is broken. Syempre, we're going to open this one and then i-open natin siya. So, ayun. Ayan. Dapat nakabaon yung seal nito and then if you're going to open it, magpa-pop siya. And it is like this. Ayan. And if you're going to smell it, ayan. As in, yung aroma ng citrus flavor and honey flavor, honey scent pala. Honey scent, citrus and honey scent are distinguishable. So, they have a scent na maaamoy mo talaga. So, if you have a sensitive throat, I don't advise you to dip. Parang kakainin nyo siya ng buo because syempre this is sweet. Baka magkaroon pa kayo ng irritation sa inyong throat. So, bakit kayo magkakaroon ng irritation? It's because syempre sugar is a medium, considered a medium for bacterial growth. So, kapag masyadong maraming sugar, doon nagkakaroon ng infection. So, dapat konting-konting sugar lang. Dapat yung sugar lang is yung kailangan lang ng katawan mo. Hindi yung sobrang-sobrang sugar. And for me, I'm going to, syempre, 1 teaspoon lang. Konti lang, as in konti lang for me. So, it's like that. Konti lang. And then, we're going to, ayan. So, this acts as parang sweetener. Yan. Sweetener lang siya. And, i-mix ko na dito sa may tubig. So, ayan. I'm going to, syempre, secure this in a flat area. Kasi dito, baka mahulog. Delikado. And, andyan yung kanyang, ayan, no? Yung residue. So, we're going to slowly mix the product. Ayan. I-mix natin siya. Ayun. Na-mix na siya and meron dito yung mga remnants ng citron. So, ang gagawin natin is to, syempre, have a taste. Okay na yung ganitong sweetness for me because I don't need a super sweet tea. Sweetener siya, parang pampalasa lang talaga siya, but it is not parang overly sweet. Sa akin, okay na tong 1 teaspoon. Pero it depends on you kung mas gusto mo pa ng mas matamis, mas gusto mo pa ng mas not too sweety. So, it depends upon your taste. O, diba? But for me, yun yung para sa akin. Yun, tamang-tama lang. As in, perfect. This will be my new sugar. O, diba? Sugar na rich in vitamin C. It's because vitamin C helps to boost your immune system, i-regenerate niya yung skin mo, yung cellular structure mo para at least mas mataas yung protection niya against pathogenic microorganism. O, di ba? So, ayan, isang sip ulit. Nakaka-refresh talaga yung lasa niya. And if you're going to ask me if I'm going to use this on a daily basis, I would like to say yes. Yes, and mauubos ko siya in 1 month. Pwede namang twice a month. I mean, more than 1 month. Pero pag marami kayong gumagamit sa bahay, if there are more than 1 users of this product, syempre mas mabilis siya maubos. And I can also highly recommend this one, especially in times of pandemic, because we all need immune boosters to increase our immunity against yung chain ng infection, especially now that there is a threat of yung COVID-19. Tapos, ang dami-dami pang strain. And mind you, sa mga hindi pa nagpapa-vaccine dyan, so it's syempre, ipapaboost natin ang immune system natin by honey citron tea. Yung mga hindi bumibili online, yung mga bumibili sa I'm not sure kung available sa SNR or Landers. You can also check this product if there are any available na ganito sa Landers or sa SNR. Ayun guys. If you have any questions, if you have any suggestions, if you have any other information na pwede mong i-share, mag-comment down below lang kayo or reach me out in my Facebook page, Instagram, or Twitter, The Story of Anthony. So hanggang dito na lamang po guys. Thank you guys for watching and have a nice day.